we just pasted that source files into this demo HTML web and open the GitHub desktop. There you could see there that file is located inside the GitHub desktop, and then here there is we need to define that first commit, FIRST commit, and then here you could see, scroll down. So here you could see there you will find out some kind of button here, commit over there, and then it will ask to publish the repository, and do publish, and then define the name demo HTML web. Keep this code private. Now disable this one, not required this one, and do publish repository, and then it will publish these files into GitHub repository, and may take some time to deploy and publish those files into GitHub. So that the files has been deployed, and open the repository, and my code Raja, just refresh over there. Here you could see we had the demo HTML web. Just open that one, and over here you could see we had some files over there. Inside files you can find out source code as well. Just hit this one, and over here we could see this is the root files and having some source code. Whatever VS Code editor we did, that the code is available inside this code itself. Go to my code Raja. Now you could see we had only one repository. Open this one, and then go to the settings, and here we need to publish into pages. So these are the multiple kind of options it had for that repository had. Scroll down, here you could see it had pages are there. Go over there, and inside we need to change the couple of settings. So here we had the GitHub action, select that one. Now it will show multiple kind of options are there, not required usually. So we have to change this one into deploy from a branch. So here you could see main is there, root is there. So we have to save that settings. What I will do is select this docs, but not required docs, even though I will do save this one. And after that here you could see there is a root as well, and select the root, and then save the settings. That's it, we created and deployed the repository pages, and that website will be open inside another new link. The new link will provided by GitHub. So open this one into your new tab, and now you could see we had some Git repository, and open the settings to execute and to deploy the files. Here it may take some time in execute into pages, and open pages. Now that the page not activated and not generated any kind of web page, just close this one. What I will do, open the my code Raja, and it may take some time to open those files, and select this one demo HTML web, and now we could see it may take some time. Just I will take some time to open that one. So if you want to do modification, or if you want to download this from this repository into desktop, you can clone over here, either by using this link. You can clone over here. You can download that source code by hitting this download zip file, and let me check it out that the page has been created or not. Go to settings and go to the pages. Inside page, here you could see we had my code Raja.github.io demo HTML web, hit website. So here we could see whatever website we did inside the VS Studio Code, that the website has been created, and here you could see this is the path which the GitHub has been created. So these are the main steps we have to follow and to create. So here you can find out the source code to download and to work with inside the repository, as well as you can get